Hello students, welcome to Study Doubt. This question is from Physics, chapter Ray Optics. A small pin fixed on a table top is viewed from above from a distance 50 centimeter. By what distance should the pin appear to be raised if it is viewed from the same point through a 15 centimeter thick glass slab held parallel to the table? Refractive index of a glass is given 1.5. And in the second part they are asking, does the answer depends upon the location of the slab? Let's solve this question. If we consider this is a table and on this table iron nail is fixed and the person is viewing it from the top. The distance from the eye to the nail is 50 centimeter. Now we are placing a thick glass slab of thickness 15 centimeter between the table. Somewhere we are placing it here, so it will look like this. This thickness is 15 centimeter. Now we have to find with what height should the pin appear to be raised. It means that initially it was 50 centimeter. But when we place a glass slab, then refraction takes place. And here, this is our eye. So if we trace this path, it will get refracted. And that the same iron nail will looks like appear here. So we have to find how much distance it will shift. So in the question, we need to find the apparent depth. Apparent depth is represented as dA and it's equal to thickness of a refractive index T upon refractive index of glass with respect to air. So the thickness is 0.15 meter, centimeter we convert to meter, and refractive index is 1.5. So its value is 0.1 meter. Now we found the apparent depth and we have to find at what distance should the pin appear to be raised. So for this we can write shift is equal to thickness minus apparent depth. Thickness is given in the question 15 centimeter or 0.15 meter and the apparent depth is 0.1 meter. So here it is 0.05 meter or 5 centimeter. So the shift is here 5 centimeter. In the second part they are asking, does the answer depend upon the location of slab? It means that if we change the position, so will it depend upon that? So as you see, it doesn't depend upon that. It depends upon the thickness and the refractive index. So if you have any doubt, you can mention it in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you so much.